and just kind of feel comfortable.
It's probably really bad lighting.
No, it's actually really good.
I became more self-aware when there is a camera on me.
Don't worry. The camera can't judge you.
I judge myself on camera.
Yeah, but you're not looking at it, I am. Are you microwave safe?
I'm microwave safe.
Yeah, say it again.
I'm microwave safe.
Say it again.
I'm microwave safe.
Really believe it.
I do believe it.